Hey guys, it's Michael here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your very own ice cream using nothing more but milk or half and half and a bag. So we got the ice, we got the cream, we're going to be making ice cream. Let's get started by showing you guys what we're going to be needing to get this going. So, in the previous video, we were able to make our very own paletas fresas. But this time, we're gonna be making our very own ice cream using this, half and half. And everything I do today that I'm gonna be doing with half and half, you can do with regular milk, chocolate milk, strawberry milk, milk in general. I'm using half and half because I heard it's supposed to make it a little bit creamier. So this will be a good experiment for today. Now, all you're really gonna need to do, and if you guys see my videos, you guys know I'm not the biggest fan of measuring cups, and you don't need to be for this one because this one is, you're making as much ice cream as you want in a bag. So, all you're gonna do is you're gonna pour in your half and half into the bag, as much as you think is good. You can never have enough ice cream. So I got it in my bag, all half and halfy. And now what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be adding some sugar. So we're just gonna add a pinch, or 2, or 3, or 4, or 5 pinches sugar into this mix. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a shake. Changa changa shogo shogo. And now what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be adding our vanilla extract. And we're just gonna put a little drop of it in. That was a little bit more than a little drop, but we'll take it. Now we're gonna give that one a little shake too. And do you guys have salt in your ice cream? Well, me neither. So we'll show you what that one's for in a little bit. So we're gonna take all the air out of this bag and we're gonna close it up. We're gonna seal it. We're gonna seal it tight. That's our ice cream mixture. Now, the reason I have another bag is to put this first bag into my bag to give it a little bit extra protection for what's gonna come next. And good thing it's a liquid, so it'll stay. And guys, that's all there is to the recipe. Like I said, you can add anything. You can add chocolate milk, you can add strawberry milk, I don't know what other types of milk there are. I use half and half for the cream, but listen, that's all there is to it if you want to make the basic vanilla ice cream. Now, I have a bag of ice because this is what's going to count as our freezer. Yeah, normally you'd put ice cream in the fridge and you'd let it freeze and it'd take a long time. But we don't have time for that. We want ice cream now, right now. We need this ice cream. So, what this salt is for is to get the ice super cold. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put salt in there. I use pink Himalayan salt, but normal salt will work. There's nothing really special about this one other than it's pink and it's Himalayan, so what else do you need in salt? So I'm gonna put that in there, put it all around. I'm gonna mix my bag up a little bit. It looks like spicy ice or something. But that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna mix it around. And what we're gonna do next is we're gonna put our other bag, our mixture, in there. And we're gonna take out all the air, and we're gonna close it. And what we're gonna do next? We're gonna shake it for a while. So, let's get to it. Fun fact about ice and cream. It's very cold, and my hands are super cold. Look at how the bag looks. It looks like a spicy ice type of seasoned dish. But you can see that it's melting really quick, and that's because it's getting, that means it's working. It's getting so cold, so done, that we're up. Let's take a look at it. This is where we are right now. And it doesn't look like much, but you can already feel it. It's already starting to cream, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. We're getting closer, but not quite there. We're gonna keep on shaking this for a little bit longer. A lot of work, big workout, but it'll all be worth it soon. All right, guys, it's time for the moment of truth. We're gonna try this ice cream and see if ice cream in a bag is all that, I guess I said it's all cracked up to be. So let's take it out. Oh, that's a good texture. If you wanted it to be a little bit less cream, a little bit more hard, you can shake it longer. But I think my ice started to not be ice no more. But look how pretty it is. It's all pink. So we're gonna open this up. Ooh, that looks good. Looks very creamy. So again, you guys can use this with milk. I use half and half, but that actually is really good. If I want to make it a little bit more sweet, I'd probably just add some sugar, maybe a little bit more vanilla, but I rate Chef Michael's ice cream a 10 out of 10, and that is not biased. So try this at home. Make yourself some treat. It's gonna be hot this summer. So if you enjoyed this video and you wanna watch more just like it, check out our YouTube channel and check out everything we're doing. And until next time, I'll see y'all.